written multiplication. So just like addition and subtraction, place value is really important with multiplication, and it plays an important role to getting the answers correct. I've written an array of questions to help your children understand, help you understand the difference. In year 4, they need to complete 2 and 3 digit numbers multiplied by 1 digit. In year 5, it's 2 to 4 digit numbers multiplied by 1 and 2 digits. So I've got examples of all, but they all follow pretty much the same format. So again, like in column subtraction and column addition, you need to start with the smallest value digit column. So you're multiplying the numbers by that bottom number. So you need to do 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20. So you put your 0 in the ones column and you carry your 2 over into your tens column. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. And then you must remember to add the digits underneath. So 15 add 2 is 17. Same again for this number. This question, it doesn't matter that there's 3 digits. It's exactly the same format. So 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. You place your 1 in your ones column and you carry your 2 over. So you can see it reads 21. Lots of children will put this the opposite way round. So just make sure that it's written as it is read. 3 times by 1 is 3. Not forgetting to add the digit underneath. So 5. And 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. And because it's the last digit, you can write it in. Now, when it starts multiplying by 2-digit numbers, it gets a little bit more complicated. So you always start with the digit in the ones column that you're multiplying it. So almost forget that the 30 is there to begin with. So then you have 24 multiplied by 5. And then in a minute, we will do 30 times 24. So let's start off with the 5. So again, 5 times 4 is 20. You can see here to help them, I've put a dotted line, and you'll see why in a minute. 5 times 2 is 10, and then you add the digit underneath to give you 12. Now, I will cross off the 5 to remind myself that I've done this. Now, even though this is a 3-digit, we know it's in the tens column, so it's 30. Therefore, we must remember to place our placeholder in our ones column. And then we can start again. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. You can see that I always start from right to left. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, not forgetting the 1 down here, which gives me 7. Now you have 2 answers. With these 2 answers, you need to now add them. So 0 add 0 is 0. 2 add 2 is 4. 1 add 7 is 8. Now, when you are carrying those digits over, make sure they're nice and small, otherwise they will get confused. Just to show you again, with a 4-digit multiplied by a 2-digit, so always starting right to left, complete the number in the ones column first. So 5 times 3 is 15, writing it how we would read it. 5 times 6 is 30, adding the 1 underneath is 31. Remember our housekeeping. 5 times 2 is 10, add the 3 is 13. 5 times 4 is 20, add the 1 is 21. Again, it's the last one, so I can just write it in. I'm crossing it off because I know that I've completed that question. Now it's a 3, but we know it's 3 tens, so we must remember our place value holder here. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18. Writing it out as read. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 1 is 7. 3 times 4 is 12. And again, we need to add this up. 5 add 0 is 5. 1 add 9 is 10. Now they will have to use what they have learned in their column addition. 3 add 8 is 11. Add the 1 is 12. 1 add 7 is 8. Add the 1 is 9. 2 add 2 is 4. There is nothing here, which is a 0. So 0 add 1 is 1. So 149,205.